Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a basic slime tutorial for beginners. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and like and comment down below what I should do for my next video. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So the ingredients you're going to be needing is white glue or clear glue, and I got this color for Christmas, so I'll be using it. I also got some lotion. You don't have to use lotion, you could also use, and you use water for clear slime if you want it to get clear. But I got this Japanese cherry blossom, and then I got this neon food coloring, or you could use paint. So yeah, and you're going to need activator. I'll be using borax. You could be using contact lens solution or detergent. So yeah, and you're going to need something to mix with, something to mix it. So yeah, let's get on to making this one. So the first step you're going to need is to add in your desired amount of glue. I'm only adding this much. So you could also use, for glue to work, it has to contain PVA, so it could work. Okay, so then you're going to be adding some lotion. That's step number 2. And you can use any type of lotion. It's not like glue that you have to use a certain type, but lotion, whatever lotion works. And then you mix it in. Then you're gonna add your food color. I'm gonna be making a purple light slime. And you don't have to use food color, you could use paint also. But if you don't want the color is fine, you could just leave it like, you could leave it white or glitter. And you could also add the glitter, but it doesn't work with white colors. So if you're gonna add glitter, put it in glitter, it looks better. So yeah, I'm gonna be making this light purple, this violet color. And yeah. Okay, then you're gonna add the desired amount of, but you can add a little bit of activate at a time. And you only need a teaspoon of borax in a cup of hot water. And I'm gonna get back when I finish making this slime. So yeah. So I'm almost done, and it's gonna get harder to mix and the size of the bowl. So yeah, and mine's still not done yet. I'm sorry if you're noisy at that, but yeah. And the slime is almost done. I generally add a little bit more activator until it's done. And I probably added a little too much activator, but I could just add more lotion. So yeah, it's almost there. As you could tell, well, let me show you. It's pulling up the size of the bowl because I think I added too much. But yeah, and okay, I think that was a perfect amount. I'm just probably gonna knead it. When you're done, don't add any more, just knead it, and knead it just means to play with it until it's not sticky. So yeah, this is just basic normal slime. My arm's getting tired, but okay, so I'll get back to you when I'm all done eating with it. And this is how your slime would turn out at the end. So yeah, here's an example I just made yesterday. So yeah, and mine is just neat. So yes, the slime is not hard. I don't think so, but I probably still have to knead it, so it's probably still gonna get a little hard. And yeah, this is not that big, and I only made it like 4 ounces, so yeah. So yeah. So I'm almost done with it. I'll just clean the bowl after, but yeah, let me just Let me just leave it, and I'll be done with this slime. So I'll get back to you when I'm done. So I'm done with this slime, and it did turn out a little hard, but it's still, but the slimes, but this is time to pull. But it's not supposed to turn out hard, just add a little too much activator, but it's supposed to be really nice and stretchy like this. So, yeah. So, I'll see you guys. Okay, so that was the end of the video, and you could use marker also if you want to color your slime, but make sure to use it at the end. So, yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!